In this video, we'll show you how to connect your hosting or domain to your Shopify store. First of all, you need to go to admin of your Shopify store and click on settings. In the menu, you need to find domains and click on it. Then you need to click on connect existing, and right here you need to enter the domain name. If you don't remember your domain, you can go to the hostinger, log into your account. Then you need to click domains in the left menu and go to domain portfolio. Right here you will see the list of your domains. You need to copy the domain name and go to Shopify. Paste the domain name and click on next. Now you need to start setting your domain name. You need to go to hostinger, click on your domain name, click DNS and name servers on the left menu. Now we need to add the A and C name records, but we have got existing A and C name records right here, so we can delete these two records and we can start adding them from the beginning. So first of all, let's add the A record. Right here we need to choose the A in the type. In the name we need to write @ then we need to copy this IP address and paste it right here, and we can leave TTL on default. Then click on add record. After that, we need to create the CNAME record. So let's copy the value. Let's go back. Let's choose CNAME in the type. We need to write www in the name, and in the target, we need to paste this value from here and click on add record. We also need to add these two records, which are CAA records. So let's start adding them. We need to select CAA here, and the type we need to write @. We need to choose the issue wild in the tag, and we can write 0 in the flag, and then copy the value from here and paste in say CAA domain. Click on add record. After that, we need to create another CAA record. So let's find CAA, enter @ in the name, in the flag write 0, in the tag choose issue wild and copy the value from here and paste it right there and click on add record. Now, as you can see, it's checking. We need to wait a few seconds. Now we need to wait a few minutes and our domain finally will be connected to Shopify store. Estimated time is 5 minutes, so let's wait and I'll show you the result. So as you can see, finally our domain is connected. Now we can paste our domain in the browser and let's see the result. So as you can see, it's working. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.